Hey everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and today's video where we have some mega cleaning motivation for you coming up. So a couple of weeks ago I went to my mum and stepdad's house to do some cleaning and a half. My stepfather was actually away in England for a funeral, and so I took the opportunity to come down and clean all the little things that you just don't ever get on top of. And I had the best time. In total, I probably spent about 20 hours down there over the space of about a week and a half, and I loved every minute of it. So first of all, you would have just seen that I cleaned all the outside patios, and that is a separate video, and I've got a few different tools and stuff that I'm using as well. So then I went on and cleaned her couches with the Bissell steam cleaner. I think she was so impressed with how well I did a job. My mum said she was willing to hire someone to clean it, and I said no, I'll clean it and get a workout. And oh boy, did I get a workout and a half. So it was quite funny because she was just standing there watching me, and she's like, oh, I feel worn out just watching you. So it was funny. I nearly slipped over at one point because I sprayed accidentally some water onto the floor instead of the couch, and I didn't have any socks on. Oh, it was funny. I think it's always so satisfying watching the water get sucked up here as well. So, and then, ooh, look at all this dirty water. Mum's like, don't put that on the internet, but I'm like, that's the best part. Everybody loves that part. So I just did that first chair in this video just to kind of show you guys. It still looks a little bit damp. Apparently it dried within about an hour of the heater going on because it's been really cold lately, so that was good. All right, on to the oven racks, and as you can see, they are pretty dirty and dingy, and I did do all of these. So yeah, I just kept saying, give me what you want, give me what you want. So I've got this oven power, and I've got this from Woolworths, and it was about $8 a box. Wasn't on special, but when you need it, you need it. So yes, did actually read the instructions but then didn't entirely follow what it said. It said only put like one tray in the bag. I said okay, but yeah. And look how good they come up, super shiny. I'm sorry that the angle isn't the best. I was gonna go back and refilm, but I forgot, so yeah. All right, on to a lot of the tiles and stuff. I have this Ryobi power scrubber. I'm going to do a separate video and review on it because I have some other things to clean, and I got this from Bunnings and it cost $249. I got this one because it had the battery that comes with it, because I don't own any other Ryobi products. And so, yeah, it wasn't just the skin only, it was the whole kit, so it's good. I think it has done an amazing job. I had to switch over from using the medium bristles to the hard bristles, especially in the tiles areas. It certainly picked up a lot of dirt and grime. I think I used way too much product because it seemed to sud up a lot, and I am just polishing it with a towel because that just seems like the best thing to do. I know that before and afters don't really give it the best sort of look, but to the eye you could really tell. All right, here in the second bathroom scrubbing, you can see how much dirt is coming up through these tiles. I really wish I got to give it a bit of a second scrub because yeah, I feel like I still could have done more, but I want to just keep at least do one thing in each area of the house. And then this is the ensuite bathroom that they have. This was pretty clean compared to the grout in the back bathroom. And cleaning some of the walls get dirty. So that came up pretty good. All right, then we came back to clean the glass in the oven, and my mum was surprised at how easy this was moving with the scraper. She's completely addicted to using it now. And then finishing parts of the kitchen, I scrubbed the back of this the stove top. It had a lot of oil and stuff on there, so I scrubbed it with some Jif and the power scrubber. I also went in with the scraper and helped remove a lot of the oil and stuff as well. And then I got the power scrubber and I scrubbed all the wall because it had some elements and stuff on there. You can see how it kind of goes from light to dark in some areas. Sorry about the light that keeps coming in and out. Obviously my camera's refocusing when I go up on there. I can still see that I've missed a few spots so I feel like I really want to go back and fix it, but yeah, my mum's like, you've done enough, you've done enough. I'm like, I know what I want to do. Into the oven now, and this is pretty easy to clean. We've just put a little bit of the oven power around in certain areas, and I covered some bits of it with Glad wrap. That probably didn't film all of it, and most of it just wiped out pretty easily. I didn't film the whole thing though, just because, yeah, I was trying to move the camera around and get stuff done. Then we're moving on to the stove top, and yes, it looks quite messy and this actually took me about 3 hours in total. What I did is I started scrubbing a bits of it, and then I put some more product on it, and then I left it for a bit more, and then I came back and I scrubbed it for a bit more, and then I left it for a bit, and then I came back and scrubbed it again. And I am surprised that some of the things are actually brown underneath, because some of the fats and oils that were there, they lifted up so quickly, and I think it looks so beautiful when it's finished. Here now we are onto the slate floor, and this is probably one of the biggest projects that my mum wanted me to deal with. It's was sealed a while ago, but of course now a lot of the sealant has come off, and just with having the dogs and food and everything else in here, it gets dirty. So I was like, let's get the power scrubber in there and clean it all up. You'll see the dogs featured every now and again as I keep running in here. And cleaning this floor was a little bit of trial and error. I was moving through a few different products for stuff. There's some grease and things on the floor, so we're really trying to work out what's best. I spent ages trying to Google best way to clean the floors. A lot of places were just hot soapy water and dishwashing liquid, but I found it just wasn't lifting anything up. So what I've done is a mixture of Jif, and then scrubbed through some of that, and then wiped some of that up, and then in some areas I used straight sugar soap to help lift up a lot of the greasier areas, and it helped a lot. I've made a complete mess as well, which my mum laughs at because she's just sitting there going, oh my god, there's like dirty water everywhere. And then the faster I was trying to mop it up, it was sudding up so much, so it was just getting out of hand. And the white towel that she gave me, that was a scrap towel, I was using to buff the floor, and it is like nearly black. And I said, here, you can wash this. She's like, oh my gosh, no, I'm just gonna throw that out. So I just laughed so much the entire time I was down there, and I am absolutely itching to get back there and re-clean part of the bathroom grout and also redo part of this kitchen flooring, because there are just some things we want to do. Also, I want to go back outside to the patio because there's still some black mold out there, and some people who watch my power washing video have given me some amazing advice with how to clean that. So stay tuned. I will go back and fix that all up, which I'm pretty excited to do, and I will share with you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. As I said, I cleaned for about 20 hours over the space of a week and a half. I didn't film everything, just all the fun stuff and the messy stuff, because that's what life's about. Thanks again for watching. I so appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.